guys, so remember how I've basically been in mourning over the fact that Target did away with the Target beauty boxes, but the website said that there'll be something taking their place. They just didn't tell us when. I think it's safe to say the replacement is here. Now, I don't know if these are going to be a monthly release thing or a just whenever the hell they feel like it thing, or what the deal even is with these. But regardless, oh, hold on just a sec. Okay, so anyways, what I was saying was I think the replacements are here. I just don't know if it's a monthly thing or what their timing scheme looks like, or if these are this is like what we're getting, or what the deal even is. But apparently this is one of those things where I'm gonna have to watch this space and just observe and see what happens. So basically they did 7 best of boxes, like best of skincare, best of clean skincare, best of mascara, best of hair, best of men's, etc., etc. But one of them stood out and cost a little bit more, because most of them were only $15, which is about double what the original Target beauty boxes were, because those were 7, but that's okay, because we're getting bigger sizes and presumably better stuff in these. But the one that caught my attention was a little bit more. This one was like $18. And it's this Cetaphil trio of products. And unlike the itty bitty little like baby sample sizes they were giving out before, they were like this big, these are hefty. There's like 3 things in this box, but let's find out. Let's see how big they really are. So, we'll take a look at what all's in here, and frankly, I'll be really excited to finally give a fair shake to Cetaphil, because with that tiny of samples before, it was never enough to really, like, see how they actually do over time. Wow! This is, like, full size! Okay, I wasn't expecting that. I still thought it was gonna be, like, a sample, just like a deluxe sample. Whoa! Holy shit! It did say on the front of the box, save over 20% in value, so okay, I'm here for it. So this is the Daily Advanced Lotion with shea butter, for your body, for dry, sensitive skin, which for this part of the year is fantastic. Nourishing 24-hour hydration, contains 9 moisturizers, plus vitamins E and B5. Dermatologist recommended. 8 fluid ounces. On its little scale of light to rich, it's the medium on there. So, Cetaphil Daily Advanced Lotion. This nourishing lotion with shea butter is clinically proven to lock in moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft, smooth, and restored. Contains a blend of 9 moisturizers and skin essential vitamins E and B5 to intensely moisturize and protect dry, sensitive skin for a full 24 hours. Ideal for hydration of the whole body. Dermatologist recommended non-comedogenic. Why can I never say this word? Non-comedogenic. There, I said it. Fragrance-free. Directions: use daily to hydrate and protect dry, sensitive skin from moisture loss. Reapply as needed for enhanced nourishment. But wow. Wow. I am, like, still shook over the size of the tube. I didn't expect it to be that big. Wow. We've also got, I think this is the full size too, the Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. Removes excess oil without drying, clinically proven to deep clean skin. Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser. This effective yet gentle facial cleanser was originally formulated for dermatologists to keep normal to oily skin clean and healthy. Removes surface oils, dirt, and makeup without leaving skin tight or overly dry. Rinses clean without leaving any pore clogging residue. Gentle enough for everyday use. Non-comedogenic. Why do I always want to put an extra syllable in there that's not there? Non-comedogenic. There. If I say it slowly, I can do it. Non-irritating. Dermatologist recommended. Massage a small amount onto wet skin and rinse. Okay. I'm actually really excited about that one because I was gonna buy that anyway. And then finally... Oh, what? I guess this is like a placeholder just so they don't like rattle around in there, but... Cetaphil Moisturizing Lotion, also 8 fluid ounces. So this is for body and face, for all skin types. Lightweight 24-hour hydration contains 6 moisturizers plus vitamins E and B5. And this one's a light moisturizer. Okay. This fast-absorbing, lightweight... Let's try that again. This fast-absorbing, lightweight lotion protects and enhances skin's natural moisture to leave your skin immediately feeling soft, smooth, and replenished. Contains a blend of 6 moisturizers and skin-essential vitamins E and B5 to provide long-lasting hydration for healthy-looking skin. Unique, non-comedogenic, I can do it. The more I make myself say it instead of skipping it, the better I'll get at it. Formula is ideal for sensitive skin and can be used on body and face. Delivers continuous hydration for up to 24 hours. Okay. So honestly, just saying, for 18 bucks, that was not a bad purchase. That's actually surprisingly reasonable because buying these individually definitely would have cost more than that. Absolutely more than that. So I am really excited for this because this is a brand I've really wanted to like give more of a shot to and never felt like with the itty bitty sample sizes that it was fair to review this brand off of those when there was so little there to judge by. So I'm finally going to be able to give them a fair shake when I start using these. So anyways, that's it for this video. I'm still going to unbox the other boxes, so probably not all going to go up back to back, but it is what it is. So anyways, that's it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.